So if your organization is subscribed to GitHub Copilot, then there is a great news. You just got access to GitHub Copilot chat feature, the beta version for which was made available just a short while back by GitHub Copilot team. And there is a basic step involved which needs to be done from your organization end, so they can go in and basically click on allowed so that you can start to access this feature. Now once this capability is enabled, right, then you get pretty much the chat feature within your Visual Studio Code. So you will see the chat icon, and then you can start to ask GitHub Copilot various things. For example, you can prompt and ask Copilot to write the test cases or explain you some code. Now the advantage is that the Copilot will be aware of your code base. Earlier, like when you were using Copilot, then it was not contextually aware of the entire code base, but now with this chat it knows what is your code base and what you are trying to do, which makes a hell lot of a difference. You don't need to leave the visual code and go to chat gpt to understand something. You can do it all from within Visual Studio Code. Here is a quick demo which was added by GitHub Copilot team itself. So you can ask like to generate the unit test for the code, and it will give you the code basically, right? And similarly, you can do other cool stuff like asking it to explain you code or to write some logic and stuff like that. So this is a great new capability which has been launched, the beta version, of course, and make sure that your organization enables it and you get access.